So, Big Bill, what did he stop doing when they kicked you out of Muppets?
I don't know. I think they said something with the drug problem.
Okay. How much do you smoke, I guess?
Probably.
You didn't really answer my question.
Sesame boy!
No.
Yeah, you made me drop my
Let me go.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks.
So I just had
You
to
got
cough.
anything else to say?
Can I have some?
It's got me $100 per ounce, buddy. Back off. I was like, man, give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back.
Easy bag, go get it. Oh, shit.
You're